Numbers can have interesting patterns. In the course we have covered most common patterns and how they are made. A sequence is a set of things, usually numbers, that are in order. Please see the display. Example: an arithmetic sequence defined by the expression bracket open -1 bracket closed raised to the power of n multiplied by 2 raised to the power of n, where the n values start at 1 and end at 4, all inclusive. Find the sum of all the sequence numbers. This can be expressed like this. Please see the screen. Let's solve this. When n is equal to 1, the value is -2. When n is equal to 2, the value is 4. When n is equal to 3, the value is -8. And when n is 4, the value is 16. We can add these 4 terms to give us the sum, like this. And the answer is 10.